Hi K2. For day 8 today, we are on Facts 210, and this day has both adding and subtracting. So I wanted to go over two different pages with you guys to make everything clear. So let's read the little star. It says add numbers to find the sums, which we know that the sum equals the answer. And the numbers you add are add-ins. And the way to add is to count on. So this is a strategy that we've done in class. So it says 3 plus 5 equals a number. So we are just going to count on to add, start with the greater number. So the greater number means the bigger number. Which one would be the bigger number? Is it 3 or is it 5? That's right, it is 5. So let's start with 5, okay? So let's count 5. Let's count them down here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And it says count on 3 more. So from 5, what number comes next? 6, 7, 8. So this shows 5 plus 3 more equals 8. There in the blue. And this is the way you guys are going to be adding for these. You guys are just counting on. And remember, we are counting from the greater number. That means the bigger number. So we said 3 plus 5 equals 8. And let me draw that in. Okay. So that was adding, and I also wanted to go over a subtracting page. So I'm going to fast forward all of this to this page. So it says 10 minus 4 equals an unknown number. So how do we show that? Well, first we're going to start by using 10 frames, and we need to show 10. So to show 10, we need to fill in every single square because we know 10 makes a whole 10 frame complete. Then we are going to subtract 4. So we're going to count out how many counters. That's right. We're going to X out 1, 2, 3, and 4 counters. So how many are left? Let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. So there are 6 counters left. So 10 minus 4 equals 6. I know we've done a lot of this in class, and hopefully this is all review to you guys and you guys can do it. I just wanted to go over this to refresh your memories. So I hope you guys all have a wonderful day and keep working hard. I can't wait to see what you guys have done.